guys, today we're going to be getting into our September speed reviews part 2. So I've already done part 1, obviously. If you want to go and check that out, it's up on the channel. I don't have lashes on today, so I'm feeling a little bit naked, but I kind of don't mind it. I'm wearing my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter because I'm only filming this one video. Like, normally I'll film like a couple of videos at a time, but today I'm just want to film this one video because I'm doing so much Halloween stuff. So yeah, I'm just filming one video, so I was like, oh, I'm just going to put something kind of light on. And I actually kind of like it. Like, I feel like I could wear something like this to work. I get scared to wear makeup to work because I feel like my natural face, like, I can't help that, you know, like, I'm born with that. So when people see my natural face, it's like, whatever, I'm born with it. But I feel like if I wear makeup and then I look ugly, it's like I've tried to fix my natural face and I still look ugly. So I get scared to wear makeup. That's probably weird, but that's how I feel. Anyway, let's get into this. I've got to stop rambling. So the first thing I have here is the Hey Bud Hit Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser. I actually really like this. First of all, I love the packaging. It's like ceramic, is it? I don't know, but I think it's really nice and it feels really luxe. This smells so nice and just so fresh, and it's such a nice cleanser. Like, I don't know, I just really enjoy Hey Bud products. They make my skin feel really nice and refreshed and clean, but they don't make them feel stripped, so I really appreciate that. I tried out the Milkshake Incredible Milk. It says it has 12 effects. It's a leave-in treatment for all hair types. I honestly love Milkshake products so much, and this is no exception. It's so weird because it's like a spray, but it's like a thick spray. One, it smells so good that I could literally eat it. Oh, I can't even explain it. It smells just incredible. But yeah, I really like this, so I'll spray it in after my shower, and I just feel like it's really nice. Yeah, it just makes my hair feel really nice. It smells so great. It says that it has 12 things, so it repairs all hair types. It has frizz control, prevents split ends, heat protection, long-lasting hairstyle, incredibly detangling, magnificent shine, adds body and volume, easier styling, protects and maintains colour, protects from UV rays, smooths the cuticle. And yeah, so yeah, I do really enjoy that. I do love my Milkshake products. I took this away with me. This is the Berry Berry Christmas Shower Gel from Lush. I've almost finished this one up because this was basically the one I used the whole trip. It says, when the snow is deep and crisp, take a walk in a winter wonderland with this fruity beauty. It's not my favourite. I don't know, there's something about it that it's okay. It's just not my favourite. It says, festive cranberry infusion and rejuvenating blueberry juice make your skin feel vibrant and refreshed. I don't know what it is about it that I don't like it. I don't know. Like, it's not that I don't like it. Like, it's okay. It's just not my favourite. And it's not something that I would repurchase. I have shower gels from Lush where I like the scent a lot more. So, yeah. This is the Belif Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. I actually really like this. I think it's really nice. It smells very, like, spa-like, you know. I feel very sophisticated when I'm using it, like I'm at the spa. And, yeah, it's nice. And I feel like it's soft on the skin. You know, it's, like, gentle. And, yeah. I do enjoy that. Also, while I was away, I tried out the little Briogeo pack. So I've got a couple of things here. We have the smoothing shampoo. We also have the smoothing conditioner. I've got the blow dry perfection and heat protectant cream. And I've also got the Milk leave-in conditioning spray. I feel like I can't give these a proper review yet because I washed my hair obviously while I was away, like with these, and like it was nice and stuff, but I like to get my desired hair results, I have to blow dry my hair. Otherwise, like, I feel like my hair just doesn't look that nice. So I have to blow dry it and then like straighten it. But obviously while we're away, I didn't have a blow dryer. So I feel like my hair didn't look as nice. Am I in focus? I can't tell. Oh, sorry, I can't see that far away. So I feel like my hair didn't look as nice as what it normally does, but I don't know if that's because I didn't blow dry it first. So I really want to try these out more. I've heard good things. One thing I will say, the shampoo is so liquidy. Like, I feel like I've already used half of it because it's just like, I mean, you can probably hear it, like, it's like water. It's so weird. Like, the conditioner's like normal consistency, but the shampoo's really like watery. It's so odd. But anyway, I'm excited to try these out more and use them more because I've heard very good things about Briogeo. But yeah, I'm just being honest in the fact that I feel like I haven't tried them out enough because like when I did try them out, I didn't follow my normal hair routine. So I took these with me because they were obviously small, so they were easy to travel with. But yeah. And I don't know about the scent. Let me smell them. I forget what they smell like. They smell, they smell like something I've smelled before. I feel like it's like Dove soap or something. Like, they smell really nice and clean. Like, it's nothing too perfumey. Like, it's nothing like Way or whatever, like, where I feel like that has quite a nice, like, perfumey scent. Okay, I cannot tell if I'm in focus or not. Anyway. But they just smell, like, clean and fresh, and they don't have much of a scent to them, so. Next, I tried out the P. Louise Watermelon Jelly Makeup Remover. I did really enjoy this. I think this is such a fun product. It is messy though, and I don't know if mine's just because I took it on the plane and stuff, so it just got like a bit messed up on the plane. But like, it's really cool consistency. So it's like jelly, and then you put it on, and like it's just a makeup cleanser. It like you know, works as like a normal makeup cleanser. It smells so incredible, like so good. It smells like the Too Faced Ju You line or whatever it was that they came out with a couple of years ago that had like a watermelon scent as well. But yeah, it's super cool. So you just like scoop some out. Like, it's a really fun consistency, and then you put it on, and then you just, you know, do your thing as normal, wash your makeup off and stuff. Yeah, I feel like it wouldn't have got as messy if I didn't travel with it, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It just is a bit like, I just need to take some time to like clean it up, but I do really like that. I feel like it's a really fun product. I tried these out from Colourpop. I got sent these last year around Christmas time. These are the little Rudolph and Colourpop collab. So first of all, we have the Rudolph Lippy Scrub. The packaging of these are so cute. And they smell like mint, which is so nice. Oh, yum. It's such a Christmassy vibe. I love it. It's like mint, but it's got a little hint of like sweetness in it. I really like it. It's like more like candy cane, I think, actually. But yeah, it feels really nice on the lips. I do really enjoy the Colourpop Lippy Scrubs. I think they're really nice. And I also use the Claris Overnight Lip Mask. And this one's really cute as well. And this one has like a similar scent. I feel like it's not as strong in the lip mask. It's stronger in the lip scrub. But yeah, I enjoy these. I think they're really cute. I'm really excited to... I feel like I'm in like Halloween mode at the moment. So I'm really excited to use them when I'm a bit more like Christmassy. We also tried out the candy corn lip scrub from Halloween, from Lush. I like it. You know what's weird? I don't like candy corn, so I tried it once and it's not for me. Like, I would like to try it again because I can't really remember what it tasted like, but I just know that when I tried it, I didn't like it. But I do really like this. Like, it doesn't smell like candy corn to me. Just says it's a classic Halloween sweet treat. But yeah, it doesn't say anything else. But yeah, once again, I love the Lush lip scrubs. I think they're really, really nice. This was actually one of a little favourite for me. This is from Glasshouse, and this is their Ataha Affair Devotion Lip Balm. I think you can only get this in the advent calendar. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to put some on. It's a really, really nice formula. And like, it just tastes so nice. It's so weird because it's like quite perfumey. So if you don't really like there is a part of me that's like, I've got perfume on my lips, but it's also really, really nice. Yum. I really, really enjoy that. It is a really, really nice product. And yeah, I know that it comes in the advent calendar. I don't know if you can buy it separately or not. Anyway, the last thing that we tried out was the P. Louise Sauce on the Side Moisturizer. Once again, I took this away with me because it was like a bit of a smaller size. And I like this as well. I do quite like my P. Louise skincare. I feel like they're all quite gentle. You know, I feel like they're not... Like, I feel like they're just nice kind of staple skincare to just keep your skin in check. Like, this smells so good as well. I swear this almost has a watermelon scent as well. I don't know, but it smells good. But yeah, I just feel like, you know, they're nice staple skincare to just keep your skin in check. You know, they're nothing too abrasive or like too over the top or anything like that. So yeah, anyway, that was everything that we tried out in September. Guys, we are a week and a couple of days into October while I'm filming this, and I don't think I've tried any new products. And I think that's just because I've been so preoccupied with my Halloween stuff, so I need to get a move on. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!